Looking to reel in the perfect catch without the bulk of a traditional boat? In this video, we are diving into the best inflatable kayaks for fishing 2025, featuring top angler-friendly picks that combine portability, comfort, and serious performance on the water. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a seasoned fisherman, these kayaks are built to elevate your fishing game. All product links are listed in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Elkton Outdoors Steelhead inflatable fishing kayak stands out as a purpose-built, angler-friendly vessel designed for comfort, durability, and convenience on the water. Crafted with a 1000D reinforced layered polyvinyl chloride (PVC) material, this kayak is engineered to endure tough fishing environments, effortlessly bouncing off rocks, logs, and other water hazards. It features a solid drop stitch floor, which not only adds rigidity, but also allows anglers to stand securely for optimal bait casting. This floor mimics the stability of a hardshell kayak, giving fishermen the confidence to cast from a standing position. The kayak is also equipped with a padded seat to ensure comfort during long fishing sessions, and its single-person design makes it ideal for solo adventures. Purposefully outfitted for fishing, it includes multiple universal hard mounting points that allow you to securely attach fishing rods, fish finders, action cameras, and other gear. Its front bungee storage area offers a safe and dry space for essentials, enhancing organization on the water. A self-bailing floor with strategically placed ports ensures that excess water drains away quickly, maintaining a dry and comfortable interior even in choppy conditions. When it comes to setup and portability, the Steelhead does not disappoint. It includes a dual-action hand pump for fast inflation and a travel bag for effortless storage and transport. With its rugged build, functional features, and angler-specific design, the Elkton Outdoors Steelhead is a reliable companion for any fishing expedition. Taking the 4th spot is the Pelican Premium Angler Kayak, a rugged yet remarkably stable vessel built to support serious anglers on the water. Constructed from high molecular weight polyethylene (PE), this kayak delivers exceptional durability while keeping the weight manageable at just 63 pounds. Despite its solid construction, it remains light enough for solo transport and launching. At 10 feet 8 inches long, it offers ample space for movement and gear without becoming cumbersome. The tunnel hole design provides maximum stability, making it easy to get in and out and allowing anglers to confidently stand while casting or reeling in fish. Its wide, flat deck platform is outfitted with an anti-slip carpet, minimizing the risk of slipping even during intense action. The Ergo Boost seating system sets a new benchmark in kayak comfort. This adjustable seat not only lifts for a better fishing vantage point, but also features a plush EVA seat pad and underseat storage to keep essentials close. Designed with premium fishing in mind, the kayak includes 2 4-inch rigging tracks, 3 flush mount rod holders, and front and rear tank wells for organized storage. Bottle holders and paddle or rod tie-downs add further convenience during long sessions on the water. Safety is built into every inch of this kayak, with additional flotation inside the hull that exceeds ABYC standards, and a 375-pound weight capacity ensures reliable performance under load. For anglers seeking comfort, control, and serious fishing features, the Pelican Premium Angler Kayak is a top-tier choice. Taking the 3rd spot is the Intex Excursion Pro K2 inflatable kayak, a robust and well-equipped 2-person vessel built to handle serious fishing adventures. Constructed with a 3-ply laminate and super strong enhanced molecular formulation polyvinyl chloride, this kayak offers superior structural strength and high resistance to damage from abrasion, sunlight, and impact. Its design allows for high-pressure inflation, providing excellent rigidity and stability on the water, while spring-loaded valves ensure fast, hassle-free inflation and deflation. Weighing in at just over 44 pounds, the kayak remains lightweight yet impressively durable. Measuring 12.7 feet in length and with a weight capacity of 400 pounds, it comfortably accommodates solo or tandem use. For anglers, the Excursion Pro K2 is loaded with features that enhance the fishing experience, including 2 detachable fishing rod holders and an adjustable mount for a GoPro camera or mobile phone, letting you capture every moment of your catch. Storage is well thought out, with extra space in both the bow and stern, along with stainless steel D-rings for tying down dry bags or gear. To enhance control in different water conditions, the Kayak includes 2 removable skegs, one for deep water and one for shallow environments, ensuring great maneuverability regardless of your location. The package also comes complete with 2 86-inch paddles, a high-output air pump, and a repair patch for peace of mind. Portable, strong, and feature-rich, the Intex Excursion Pro K2 is perfect for anglers seeking flexibility and performance. Next on our list is the Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler Fishing Kayak, a lightweight yet highly stable sit-on-top kayak engineered for solo anglers who value portability, durability, and on-the-water functionality. Weighing only 44 pounds and measuring 9 feet 6 inches in length, this kayak is incredibly easy to carry, transport, and store even by a single person. Built with Pelican's patented Ram X material, it offers long-lasting durability and rugged performance, making it a reliable companion for years of fishing trips. The kayak's multi-chine flat-bottom hull ensures exceptional stability, giving anglers a solid platform for casting and reeling even when the action gets intense. Designed with convenience in mind, it features the Exo Pack, a removable storage compartment that fits seamlessly into the rear tank well, allowing you to organize and access your fishing gear with ease. Additional onboard storage and attachment options make it simple to carry all your essential equipment without cluttering your workspace. Safety is also prioritized, with built-in flotation inside the hull that meets or exceeds ABYC standards, giving you peace of mind while on the water. The kayak has a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, which makes it ideal for a range of users and gear combinations. With its easy maintenance, compact design, and practical fishing features, the Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler is a fantastic option for anglers seeking an efficient and enjoyable fishing experience on lakes, rivers, or calm coastal waters. Taking the top spot is the Real Yaks Raptor Modular Fishing Kayak, a highly innovative and portable solution designed for anglers who demand both convenience and performance. This modular kayak offers unmatched versatility with its easy 4-step snap-together assembly, allowing you to set it up or break it down in seconds. Each 31-pound section comes with built-in handles, making transport effortless, even for those dealing with back issues. No trailers, roof racks, or extra hands are required. Despite its compact build, the kayak remains sturdy and stable, crafted for balance in varying water conditions thanks to its W-hull sit-on-top design. At just 62 pounds fully assembled, it supports a smooth and efficient fin pedal drive system. The lightweight 11-pound pedal unit enables quiet, hands-free propulsion, perfect for gliding through shallow or weedy waters without snagging. This knee-friendly system makes it easy to fish and navigate while keeping your hands free for reeling in your catch. Space is no concern, even for those living in apartments or with minimal storage. The Raptor fits neatly in closets, car trunks, or tight spaces, offering a true compact storage solution without sacrificing fishing capability. Crafted by a U.S. Coast Guard registered manufacturer, this kayak emphasizes safety, durability, and user customization. With plenty of room for gear and multiple mounting points, you can tailor the kayak to suit your exact fishing style. For those seeking a portable yet powerful fishing platform, the Real Yaks Raptor delivers a truly modern kayaking experience.